Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to make Aviyal. Aviyal is a very popular recipe from Kerala. It's tasty, it is unique, it is simple, it's nutritious. Can't say enough about it. So let us begin the recipe. Friends, if you like our videos, press like sign, press subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. Take any combination of vegetables but make sure to include plantains and yam. So we have taken 1 cup of all vegetables, 1 cup of broad beans or papdi, 1 cup red pumpkin or lal bhopla or parangika, 1 cup potatoes, 1 cup snake gourd or pudalangai or padwal, 1 cup yam and 1 cup sweet potatoes, then 1 cup eggplants, white pumpkin 1 cup, drumsticks, yam or shene or suran. So chop all vegetables evenly. If you chop all the vegetables evenly, they look good and they cook uniformly well. So let us begin the recipe of Aviyal. So we have taken all the vegetables in a pan and now we are going to add turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is entirely optional. Traditionally, it was not added, but we like to add a little turmeric powder because it gives a nice color to the Aviyal. That's why we are adding, otherwise you can skip it. Now add water just enough to cook the vegetables. Don't add too much water, we don't want any water remaining after that. So we have heated the flame, kept it on medium and now we are going to cover and cook it. So now when the vegetables are 3/4 done, we are adding coconut oil. Just 1 tablespoon coconut oil we have added now. We will add the rest for tempering. And now we are adding some salt. We will also take coconut, jeera or cumin seeds and green chillies. We have taken 2 cups grated coconut, 2 tablespoons jeera or cumin seeds and 8 to 9 green chillies of the less spicy variety. We have taken them all in a mixer jar and will be grinding, adding very little water. And we have to grind this to a coarse paste. Remember that, not to grind it to a fine paste. And now our vegetables are cooked. Very little water is remaining. This is how we want it. It is 95% water is gone. So now we are adding the ground paste. We will allow this to cook for 3 minutes now on medium to low flame. And now we are going to add some curds to it. For this we have taken 2 cups curds. They are slightly sour. That is how we need it for the Aviyal. We have beaten the curds and now 3 minutes is over and we have switched off the flame. After switching off the flame, we are adding the curds to the Aviyal. Give it a mix gently. Our Aviyal is all ready except for the tempering. Now coming to tempering, traditionally tempering was not done. Coconut oil was just added in the end. You can do that even now. But we like to give it a tempering of coconut oil with some mustard seeds. So the choice is yours. But coconut oil is a must. So we have heated a small skillet and now we are adding half cup coconut oil. And when the oil is hot, we have added in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder or hing. And we have switched off the flame and now we have added curry leaves or kadi patte. Now this tempering goes into the Aviyal. Our Aviyal is all ready now. So now let us serve this Aviyal. You can have it with rice or even tamarind rice. That is what we had it with today. With anything. Or you can just have it as is. So on the occasion of Vishu, we wish everybody a very happy Vishu or Kerala New Year. Bye friends. Take care.